that it's cool. We're gonna I'm gonna sleep over at Katie's, I think, because it just got done, the dance. So, can I just do that? We're just gonna probably be sleeping over at her house and then or Jackie's or something. But I'll call you what I'm doing for sure, because I don't think nothing's happening tonight. Is that okay? All right, bye.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for the Poconos. I can't believe it. I hope we don't get caught.
We're not gonna get caught, right?
Just put some music on. Wait, something doesn't feel right. Do you hear that?
Check oil, check engine, check drive train. Pull over, you idiot.
Oh my god, what should I do? Go faster?
No? Just pull over, come on. Do something. What are you doing?
It's not my fault the car turned off.
Oh my god.
What are we gonna do?
How can I help you?
I was on my way to the mountains, and my parents don't know, and my car broke down, so I need a bare minimum to get back on the road.
Hey! Got you!
How long is it going to take to fix?
About 2 hours.
Oh! That's hot. Yeah, you got gloves. Go, take it off.
Ah, dude. It's still hot. Alright, I think this needs a new downy valve.
Yeah, put it in there. Put some in here too.
Start it up. Hold on. Try it again now. I think we need a new air conditioner.